Makalabad o mo guys. Awa ko is Dabs oh. Awa ko is Dabs.
Dapat yung mo yun sa akong batong. Ay sa...
Sexy ba yan ka?
Init mo kayo.
Labad ug sakit ang cheeks unsa pa may sakit.
Hi guys, this is Koi Samson. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello everyone, this is Alfredo Isla and welcome back to my channel. So guys, nandito ako sa vlog ng Quiz Dance kasi ayun. Nag-expect ako na gagawin niya yung
A day in his life.
a day in his life. Tapos mag-expect ako na gagawin niya ang ano ba yung gagawin niya?
Kakain.
Kakain tsaka iinom dahil lang.
Kakain.
Ano ba?
Oh my god.
Na magtatrabaho siya in one day ng tawag doon, yung hindi nagpapahinga. Yun, yung magtatrabaho siya sa bahay niya, maglilinis, tapos magluluto, tapos walang pahinga. Yun yung yung ina-expect ko, Charla. Yeah, yun na. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, this is Thompson. Welcome back to my channel. In today's show, this is gonna be a day in my life. Kakagising ko lang guys. So, kuya kaysa kakagising lang na nagkalo na. Lain sa kikipakita akong panot guys. Ay lain kay kana wapo ka shave, so magkalo lang ko kay para di kailangan tanaw ba. Unsa man challenge akong kaon. Ayaw kailangan kisanan. So guys, today is heat wave. So that means perting inita guys mag-kuan diri sa moa 3 digits siguro mga 110 to 100 108 to 110 degrees, so pretty good ang inita gyud. So karon mostly naradyo ko sa balay, or I don't know if we are going to church today kay pretty jung inita sa gawas. And then I will just be showing you what I am going to do the whole day since it's my day off. Not actually day off, kaya I'll be working at home too. Pero minimal lang. So yeah, so let's start going down to prepare our breakfast. See you there. So today guys, muna siya akong i-prepare cinnamon bread and crescent bread. So, na guys, before ako, mag-bake talaga ako ng like bake from the scratch. But ngayon, may nakakita ako ng ng mas easy. So ito na yung ginagawa ko. It's just so easy. It's like 10 minutes bread making. So ito na guys, ilalagay ko na ang ating frosting sa ating cinnamon bread. Oh. So it's just so easy guys. Bumili lang ako ng dough. And then Ayan na, ito na. Kasi before, talaga ako maggagawa ng dough. Ako gagawa lahat from the scratch. And then, it's so tiring. So ngayon, I have discovered the dough. Tapos, ito na lang mag-bake. So, you just do it in like 10 minutes. May ano ka na, may fresh baked bread. So, yeah. So, ito na guys ang aking today's breakfast with my family. Yay! Ang mga nag-diet guys. Muna silang nag-diet. Oh. Muna silang nag-diet.
A few moments later.
Right now, we are on way to our church. Pero grabe kainit guys. It's like 100 degrees now. So, see you later. So we're here now guys in Antioch Seventh-day Adventist Church. So that's the church right over there at the hill. So we're going to have our Sabbath worship in there. So, morning guys, the church is over. We're here in Antioch Seventh-day Adventist Church with my family. Say hi! So, muna na guys, among twin cars. Eh, duha man may din. So, twins sa sila among car. Oh. Kaya di mami masod sa usa ka car. Here in a Mexican restaurant, nag-order me og to-go at rami sa balay mga on. So, California burrito.
A few moments later.
Guys, today is Sunday and ngayon, Sunday is a wash day. So, maglalaba ako ngayon guys ng aking mga dirty clothes during the weeks. So, ito po yung mga dirty clothes ko. Ayan guys, so sasamahan niyo ako, maglalaba ako ngayon. Punta tayo sa baba, punta tayo sa laundry room. Ayan na guys, nandito na po ako sa aking maliit na laundry room. And Alfred, andito na, naglalaba na ako. Gusto mo makita ko nung ginagawa ko during Sunday. So ito na, dito ako naglalaba guys sa tuwing Sunday. So yan guys, nag-vacuum ako, gipaningot ko kay grabe kakapoy na naghihangak ko. So guys, ito na, nagluluto ako ng boiled beef kung atin panilat ang baka for Sunday's lunch. So while washing my clothes, then I'm cooking. So ayan na guys, cooking for lunch today because it's Sunday and it's also a family day. So lahat kami nandito lang sa bahay. So I have to prepare lunch for them while washing my clothes. Tapos na rin ako naglinis. So ayan na, satisfied na Alfred. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much Alfredo Olesna for making my house clean. So ayan guys, clean na yung house, nakapaglaba na ako, nakapagluto na ako. So I guess thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you will share, like, click, and comment. And thank you so much guys. Until the next video, bye!
One eternity. eternity later.
Unsa
Sige
mo
na, go na.
gisulti? Ah.
Pag-hi lang, pag-hi, then a day in his life, go.
Unsa na? Unsa na niyo ba? Ay, ba? Tuloy, good. So,
Ito ituluan. Bisan unsa ra man good.
Ay, sige,
Ayun na lang,
ang galing
hi,
katawa.
Alfredo Olesna niya, sunod kay na ako sa a day in his life, ana. Sige, go. Unsa bi expect sa iyang video, go.
Ako gi-expect.
O, go.
Oh, isa. Ano mo akong i-expect? Ano mo i-expect? Expect ka. Isa. Gabidyo na ka?
Loy, nag-test ko dire. Gina, 3,
Ay, so.
2, 1, go. Sige na, hi, this is Alfredo Olesna, go.
Hi everyone. Hello everyone, this is Alfredo Olesna. For today's video guys, nandito ako sa vlog ni Kuya Dubs kasi nabidyo na. Wala pa.
O sige, bisan unsa ra.
Ayaw! Ay, delete na.
O, i-delete lagi, sige
Ito
na.
beauty plus. Ay, nang sa batik, itagnaman na.
Ay na, beauty plus ako, para ako na to. Hindi mo ako gwapo, ikaw gwapo man kaso.
Ay, siguro ko.
Camera direct sa
ikaw
imo.
ganun mo, fresh. Ano mo,
delete.
zoom mo na siya.
Fresh man ka diri, sige na kayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Labad ito kayo. Hindi ko ano.
Makalabad mo guest. Awa ko is dubs oh, awa ko is dubs.
Labad yung mo yun sa akong baton. Ay, sa...
Sexy ba yung ka?
Init mo kayo. Ay, sige.
Ah, labad ug sakit ang cheeks unsa pa may sakit. Masakit ang ulo ko, masakit ang pisngi ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb.
Ay, ba? Ano sa naman ko? Nito, ti.
Yan na, hi ra.
Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Day.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Beauty plus.
Oh, sige, beauty plus na, bye.